Welcome back to Chicago Car Club. My name is Mike. Today we're going to be taking you around this 1960 Cadillac Eldorado Biarritz. We have full service records, yellow, the original yellow plates from California, original bill of sale, original ownership documentation in the pamphlet book that came with the car. We've got photos of the restoration. We're going to take you around, show you everything on this car. This is a stunning car. It is a multiple show winner. Completely restored in roughly 2000. The car originated in California. It was sold new in October of 1959. In 2000 or 2001, it traded hands at Auburn auction to the customer that we bought it from in Findlay, Ohio. They cared for this car meticulously. It has been very well looked after. It has been tended to with an open checkbook. We have tons of receipts on this car. It's in excellent running driving condition. It is truly a show car, incredible. It's got the parade boot. We'll take you around, show you everything that we see, try and get you comfortable with it. As always, we encourage you to reach out and call, text any time of day, 312-420-3696. This is a factory AC bucket seat with the Autronic eye, so it is very heavily optioned. Again, it was restored in roughly 2000. It's in its original color, which is champagne metallic. It has a beige top on it now, which you'll see later in our photos. Originally, it would have had an ivory top on it. The paintwork on the car is incredible. It has the fewest amount of blemishes, which we'll try and point out to what we can see. It's got a newer set of Coker white wall tires on it, and the trim, chrome, everything is in top condition on this. All the hardware, the glass, it is super, super clean and nice. It does have the painted boot stripe, we'll call it, along the side in the inlay. I don't believe that was factory. That might have been added on during the restoration. The paintwork is incredible. There's no overspray on the car. Everything was removed. We have photos of a lot of the paintwork on it. And all the chrome, brightwork, trim, bezels, hardware is in super good condition, including the lights and lenses. Again, this car spent its life since new to 2000 in California before it went to Findlay, Ohio. It was part of a collection from our customer who we bought it from. The car's been showed. It's had a bunch of trophies. She opted to hold on to her trophies. We don't blame her, but we've got the car, and that's the important thing. This is a very, very stunning car, very straight all the way down. These are long side panels on this car. It's straight as an arrow. We see no signs of any major repair, anything that would be of concern, or even rust repair on it. It's super, super clean. We've got a very nice wax coating on this right now. We didn't opt to ceramic coat it. It doesn't really need it the way it sits right now. This thing is in such good condition. You'll have to excuse my pink Crocs. I've got a matching set with my daughter that we wear on the weekends. A couple things to note, which we'll show you inside. The power door locks, which were vacuum actuated, are not hooked up. Whether or not all the equipment's in there, I don't know, but at the switch, they're not hooked up. And also, we tested the wiper motor, and we believe the wiper motor needs to be rebuilt. It's got power to it, the switch is good, but the wipers do not come on at this moment. Now, we were told they did, so likely the motor just needs to be rebuilt, and that can be done at Caddy Daddy. It takes about a week, about $400 to do it. Again, this is a factory air car, and the AC compressor does kick on. See one little touch-up spot there on the wheel skirt. You can see the parade boot is original and intact and really nice, painted to match the car. It's got a perfect paint color on it. The AC, which we'll show you, it does, the compressor does kick on when told to. However, it's not blowing cold right now, and we do note that it is still on R12. So likely in 2000 when they restored it, they had some R12 laying around. This should be converted to 134A just for access to refrigerant, which is not a big project at all. We've just opted to get this thing up for sale and get it out in front of you. Interior's in super nice condition. We'll show you as we get around inside the door jambs here. The door cards are super nice. All the switches are functional. The radio does power on. It does not emit sound, and the antenna doesn't raise, so we can assume that the radio would need some attention or replacing. Same thing inside this door. The door cards are super nice. All the hardware is in great condition. All the lights work properly. The carpets were replaced when they restored the car. They have some fade on them, and it doesn't look like sun fade because this car did not sit out in the sun. So I can only think that at some point somebody might have sprayed some sort of cleaning detergent on there, which just discolored the darker green carpet a little bit. But the seats, the seat backs, the dash, everything is in super, super nice condition. You'll see when we get to the gauges just how clean and nice this is. Again, all the glass is nice. All the chrome's been reworked. The in-dash clock is non-operable, which is standard for these. They never seem to work. Time seems to kill them, which is kind of funny. But at any rate, again, you can see the seats are in great condition. The top's in great condition. And we'll show you the top going up and down in a little bit. The switch on the top is a little bit finicky. Sometimes you have to move it around a couple times to get it to react. But again, you can see the dash is in great shape. The 92,000 miles is believed to be original. This does have a soft closed trunk on it, which is a really nice feature. Dual ashtrays, but this car does not smell like it's ever been smoked in. Heater controls and your factory AC controls. Here you've got your windows for your quarter glass, your passenger and driver's door windows, and we've also got our vent window switches, which are power. Really nifty. Visors are in good shape, and the dash pad is excellent. Obviously this looks new. The car is really an absolute stunner. Really, really in nice shape. Everything, panel fitment's really good on it. We'll show you here inside the trunk. We've got original decals. All the paint work, not only on the outside, but the underside is done really well. This is a numbers matching car. The engine is stamped to match the VIN. We believe it to be the original 4-speed Hydra-Matic transmission in the car as well. Again, we have full service records on this, owner identification booklet, the original parade boot. And this is a heavily optioned car. Also, it comes with the yellow plate California, both the front and the back, which is really nice and important to the provenance of the car. Under the hood, it's super, super clean and tidy. This was obviously done very carefully. Everything shows really nicely. It idles really well. It accelerates really well. It doesn't smoke, doesn't have any valve train noises. And as you can see here, we can kick the compressor on. If you look at the center shaft of the compressor there on the pulley, when we engage it, it comes on. Again, this is on R12. You'd want to convert this to 134A. Give you a show of the best I can by myself here, just showing you the top move up and down. And then we'll get you some photos of the top up. Again, it's beige. It's in really nice condition. The back glass is excellent. We'll also get the car, take it on a drive, let you see how it runs out. It really drives as well as it looks. Vincent, who was the owner, and his wife, Bonnie, took super, super good care of this car. She was a very, very kind woman and knew a lot about it, which was really fun. We actually connected with the grandson of the original owner. So C.H. Harrington, we actually spoke with the grandson who remembered the car, and he actually informed us his grandfather, I think every 2 years, bought a new Eldorado. So pretty neat. This is a very early production car. If we go off the body number at 148 with 1,200 and roughly 85, I think, were built. Again, radio, you can hear it turn on, nothing, and the clock, nothing. Now you'll notice when I get down the road here, I've actually got it in low gear, so you'll see me shift it up, but you'll see that it drives out really nice. Power steering feels great. The power brakes are excellent. Feel really good underfoot, and it stops nice and straight. Again, under acceleration, it tracks nice and straight. The alignment was just done recently. It feels really good. Gets up to speed nicely, shifts through the gears nicely. Really an all-around a car you can take to a show, you can trailer to a show. It can be enjoyed on the road or off the road. This car is in high enough condition to sit in a collection in a space all by itself. You'll see when we get the car up in the air here in a little bit that the lower edges of the body panels are super solid. The underside of the car is bone dry. It was painted or undercoated at some point. We don't like to spray over them, so we show you exactly what we see. We found a little bit of residual oil around the oil pan, all normal things. Nothing of any concern mechanically with drips or leaks or anything like that. The car, again, really tidy mechanically. It's got a nice exhaust system, front to back, which was, it's kind of a maze. The exhaust on these, they run an odd kind of direction all the way back, but really, really in good shape. Our video is a little mix match here. This is the top retracting, and then we'll show you some photos of the outside with the top up on the car. And here you can see the top, really nice shape, back glass, super clean, all the way around. It snugs down nicely. Get the car up in the air now and show you around on the lower edge of the panels. Again, all the body lines are super straight. All the welds, pinch welds, things like that, rockers are super solid. You'll see the underside, the floorboards are nice and solid. We don't see any cause to believe that this was ever wrecked or anything like that. The car's nice and straight again, and that's both on the outside and on the underside. It's got a newer fuel tank and fuel pickup, probably done in the last 5 years or so from what we can see. Tires are in nice condition. All around, just a really, really nice, clean car. And again, we encourage you, please call, text, email us, 312-420-3696, or you can find us by email at chicarclub@gmail.com. This car comes with all the service records, all the paperwork, all the ownership history, and you'll see underneath here, nice condition throughout. Again, it was restored 20 years ago. The undersides, if they're driven at all, they don't look perfect after that, but this is really in nice shape. The Hydra-Matic transmission tag. Again, the VIN stamp on the frame rail matches to the engine, to the door, to the title. We thank you for watching, and we look forward to speaking with you.